Welcome to Nimo's World. It's me Nimesh Naik. Today I am discussing CSIR Net questions June 2019. Topic Linear Algebra. It's a part B question. Let V denote the vector space of real valued continuous function on the closed interval 0, 1. Let W be the subspace of V spanned by the set sin x, cos x, tan x. Then the dimension of W over R is first option 1 and second option 2 and third option 3 and fourth option is infinite. So here in the question we have given that V is the vector space of all real valued continuous function on the closed interval 0, 1 and W is a subspace spanned by sin x, cos x and tan x. So now we want to find the dimension of W. Given W is equal to span of sin x, cos x, tan x. From this we can conclude that dimension of W is less than or equal to 3. That is the possibility of dimension of W is either 1, 2 or 3. So our fourth option is says that dimension of W is infinite. So we get dimension of W which is less than or equal to 3. So our fourth option is a wrong one. Now we want to check the set sin x, cos x, tan x is linearly independent or not. Before going that, we want a definition. So definition, linearly dependent. The vectors in a subset S is equal to V1, V2, etc. Vk of the vector space V are said to be linearly dependent if there exist scalars A1, A2, etc. Ak not all 0 such that the linear combination A1 V1 plus A2 V2 plus AK Vk is equal to 0. So that is our definition. Now we want to verify whether the set sin x, cos x, tan x is linearly independent or not. For that we assume the spanning set is linearly dependent. That is the set sin x, cos x and tan x are linearly dependent. Just we are only assuming. Then by the definition, there exists A, B, C belongs to R. Not all are 0. Note that A, B, C belongs to R which is non-zero such that the linear combination A sin x plus B cos x plus C tan x is equal to 0 for all x belongs to closed interval 0, 1 and put it as equation number 1. That is the linear combination A sin x plus B cos x plus C tan x is equal to 0. Put it as equation number 1. So our aim is to check whether the set sin x, cos x, tan x is linearly dependent or not. If we put x is equal to 0 in equation number 1, we get a into sin 0. So sin 0 is 0. So a into 0 plus b into cos 0. Cos 0 1. So b into 1 plus c into tan 0. The value of tan 0 is 0. So plus c into 0 which is equal to 0. So we get b is equal to 0. Okay. But if we put x is equal to 0 in equation number 1, we get b is equal to 0. Similarly, we put the value for x is equal to pi by 6 in the same linear combination equation number 1. That is, we are substituting x is equal to pi by 6 in the equation A sin x plus B cos x plus C tan x. We already get b is equal to 0. So we consider the remaining terms A sin x plus C tan x is equal to 0. While substituting x is equal to pi by 4, we get a into sin pi by 6 which is the value 1 by 2. So a into 1 by 2 plus tan pi by 6 the value is 1 by root 3. So we get c into 1 by root 3 which is equal to 0. So multiply the above equation throughout by 2 root 3. So we get root 3a plus 2c is equal to 0 and put it as equation number 2. and we substitute the value x is equal to pi by 4 again in the linear combination a sin x plus b cos x plus c tan x is equal to 0. We get a by root 2 plus c is equal to 0. So which implies that a plus root 2c is equal to 0. Put it as equation number 3. By solving the equation number 2 and 3, we get c is equal to 0 and a is equal to 0. That is, we get the values a, b, c are 0. Therefore, which is a contradiction because we assuming a, b, c belongs to R be a non-zero real numbers. That is, in the assumption we taking that there exist scalars a, b, c belongs to R such that not all are 0, but we get now a, b, c is equal to 0. So that is a contradiction. This is because of our assumption is wrong. So our assumption is that the spanning set is linearly dependent. So our assumption is wrong. So we can conclude that the set sin x, cos x, tan x is linearly independent. So we get the set sin x, cos x, tan x is linearly independent and the dimension of w which is less than or equal to 3. So from these two we can conclude that dimension of w which is equal to 3. So the third option is the correct one and the remaining option number 1 and 2 and 4 are wrong. Okay, so the dimension of w is 3. So the correct option is option number 3. Thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and also share with your friends and like.